Hi guys, we are doing our last peek before the release drops on October 15th, which is tomorrow. So I'm super excited to get this kit into your hands. I just had so much fun playing with it, and I know you guys will too. Today we're going to make the cards from the stamp set. So I colored these up yesterday. If you didn't see the video, you can go back. These gingerbread characters are just so stinking cute. We're going to use the paper. It's Gingie time. The kit comes with Gingie time ephemera. It comes with these enamel dots and the stamp set. You will be able to get extra paper. Those will be listed individually, and the ephemera will be listed individually. The enamel dots are exclusive to the kit, and pretty much the stamp set, because I only have two stamp sets available for individual sale. So that will be out of stock really quickly. I created two adorable cards using Crystal's Sketch Challenge 62 over at the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers blog. They will be kicking off their Falling for the Holidays Linky party on October 17th. So get your cards ready and link up for a chance to win an amazing prize. We are a proud sponsor. We would love for you to create something with some not too shabby products and link up. That would be amazing. Here's the other one. So this sketch is really fun to showcase a bunch of different patterns. So I love that. I'm also doing a release day party on October 15th at 9:30 a.m. So if you are able to hang out, I'll be doing a giveaway. We're also doing a giveaway for every order that is placed with the brand new release on the 15th. You'll be automatically entered in for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. So let's get to creating. I'm going to put my images off to the side here. So I'm going to pick out some patterns. Let's see. Let's think about which images we want to use with what. So this would be so stinking cute with the coffee house in the background, like that. And also with this one here, like he's coming out from the coffee house. So I wish I had colored up two of these. I might have to color up another one. I think I will. And then this one is super cute. We can have this guy with our barista. He's getting his latte. And then there's a little holly stamp that you can use. So I'm going to color up another coffee house so we could use that behind. Like it's a really cute for the background. Let's put together one of the cards. So let's do our little to-go. I have some leftover pieces that I probably would like to use up. So we can use some of these in the back. I'm going to use the gingerbread house pattern for the back.
Clap your hands, the snow's coming down. There's a sweet little scent all over town. Cocoa steaming, bells in rhyme. You know what that means. It's Gingie time.
Okay, so I grabbed some items here. So I have some peel-off strips. I have some pattern paper strips that I'm going to add to the bottom.
Ephemera's ready, the coffee's brewed. We've got some crafty holiday mood. Glitter and gumdrops, ribbons and twine. Cut and layer, it's design time. A not too shabby holiday scene where gingerbread dreams meet caffeine. Oh, it's Gingie time. Hey, gingerbread shine, sugar and spice in every design. Stamp it, snip it, sparkle divine. It's Gingie time. Oh, Gingie time. From the coffee house to your crafty space, smiles and cocoa.
I'm going to use a little sentiment strip. This is This is from one of Lynn's new dies that will be dropping in the shop on November 1st. And I'm going to stamp out the sentiment from the Gingerbread Coffee House stamp set, Brewing Up Holiday Cheer.
Shabby style with a brand new muse. Little Gingie's got her plan today. Brewing up joy the crafty way. Mix a little shimmer, sprinkle some rhyme, and cue that chorus one more time.
Okay, so that completes the first card. Love that, Brewing Up Holiday Cheer. So cute. So let's put that next to our other cards here. Okay, so I'm going to save this for our release day party, and we'll color up the little coffee house. So I'm going to put that to the side. Let's go ahead and use these images here. Okay, for my second card, I cut 2 different patterns. I'm going to use some vintage photo distress oxide. And I just want to do a light dusting. I'm going to stamp out the cute sentiments powered by gingerbread lattes. I'm going to take this piece and put it in between the 2. I'm going to pop up these images.
The snowflakes fall, the lights are nice. Gingie wakes up, puts on her smile, brewing joy in the sweetest style. She stirs her mug with a candy cane. Whipped cream swirls like a winter train. Peppermint steam fills the sky. It's Gingie time. Oh me, oh my. It's Gingie time at the coffee house. Oh, 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 where the gingerbread friends and the cocoa flow from not too shabby.
Okay, that completes the second card. We got 2 super cute Gingerbread Coffee House cards. Love them. We'll make the third one on our release day party. And then we've got the 2 using Crystal's sketch with the ephemera. So cute. So I hope you guys enjoy playing with this kit. I think it's really, really fun. So thanks guys. So I will see you tomorrow, release day, October 15th at 9 a.m. Central Time. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for shopping guys, and I'll see you then. Bye guys.